Okay, so we are at room 1246 at Port Orleans French Quarter at the Disney World Resort, and I'm gonna do a little room tour for you. Okay, so you walk in. This is so cute. So we do have adjoining rooms because my daughters are next door, so we should be able to open the doors on both sides. I've got 2 queen beds, and look, oh, that's so cute. A Mickey towel animal. And we've got a beautiful window. It is a garden view room. So a nice little shot of the little square. I love the table and the little sofa, the little love seat. We've got the garbage can. We've got some adorable Port Orleans Mardi Gras art with Tiana. Super cute. And then we've got the nice dresser with, oh look. Oh, it says happy birthday, Jennifer Sparendale. Oh, and there's someone at the door. Oh, it's Ashley. Let's let her in. We have to check out our adjoining rooms to see if they adjoin.
Crib store? Can I see your MTV crib store?
Yes. Welcome to my crib. So it does say happy birthday, Jennifer Sparendale.
Oh, that's so cute.
But it's not my birthday. My birthday's not till July, but okay, I'll take it. Maybe we'll get some free goods. Yeah. Maybe we'll get some, little extras. So here is the fridge. I already have my key lime pie in there. Yummy. The cute little coffee station, an ice bucket. I love how that's decorated for Mardi Gras. That is so freaking cute. I can't even stand it. Let's see. I guess this is the light. Is this the light? I don't know. Oh, that was the light. So this light here is for the coffee bar. See that? And now it's not working. Is it? I don't know. It was. Now it's not.
What's that for?
There was a light. Oh, there it goes. Okay, light came on. There's a light for the coffee bar. Then you come into the bathroom. So this is a little different with the refurb. So there is now the sliding door for the bathroom, which I appreciate much more than the curtain that used to be here. Thermostat's nice low at a nice 68. You still have the double sinks, nice mirror, the makeup mirror. You do have tissue and bath soap and lotion. We did not get lotion at All Star Music. There's some extra hand towels. This is adorable. So look at this. If you have young kids, this is a little stool that you can pull up so your littles can reach the sink. I love that touch. That is a great touch, Disney. You've got a full mirror to check your fit. Hi, Jen. You've got extra pillow, blankets, you're safe. Some room to hang your clothes and a luggage rack. So Ashley, you should have a luggage rack in your room. It is located in your little closet. Then you've got all these cute little cubbies here on the side. Blow dryer, extra toilet paper, steamer, garbage can. Over here is the ironing board. Turn around, and here is the throne. And you've got your shower area. So it's a nice rainfall shower head that's pretty standard now in Disney hotel rooms. And your non-H2O, but we really know they're H2O products. You've got your body wash, your shampoo, your conditioner. The bath mat is right here. I think that's interesting. Usually they hang it on this back wall with your extra towels. So, hey, I think this is a really cute room. I think the refurb is fabulous. I really like this color scheme. It is very calming. I like how they put in the night lights on all sides of the bed. So if you want to read and you don't want to wake up the person next to you, this is great. They really, really did a nice job. So that will conclude my Port Orleans French Quarter Garden View room. We are in building 1. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss any of the next Jen and Joe on the go action, because we are here for the next 5 nights. I'm so excited to be in Disney. We have so much planned. Don't we, Ash?
We have a lot.
Hold on, Ash. I'm going to get you on camera.
We have a lot. We're doing 4 parks in 5 days. Disney Springs, I'm sure, multiple times.
Multiple times. Lots of shopping.
And then a lot of different resorts for different quick service and table service reservations.
Yes.
It's going to be jam-packed, but fun.
So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.